Alright guys, Ryan back here with another review. This time the Q8 featuring the 22-inch year one package. I think this package is absolutely one of the most beautiful. Complements almost every color. Gives you the S-line trim. Blackout package, so everything's blacked out. The lines on this car is gorgeous. Every day this thing looks more and more like the Lamborghini Urus. Those wheels. This is in the showroom here at Audi Concord. Got perforated seats.
Because what we're now dealing with is the idea of defining James Comey and the potential intent behind it.
It's got the adaptive cruise control. Alright, this one I'm showing you here. Again, year one package. Of course, has to have the Audi rings. Pretty good amount of space in there. Get a little more knee room there than the Q5 offers, and I think even more than the e-tron Quattro will offer, because I know that's a few inches shorter. But this one's a Premium Plus driver's assistance package with the adaptive chassis package. Has towing and cold weather. So I imagine back seats heated, USBs. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video.